Hello, I'm Dr. Fruitman. Now we'll speak about, should you tell your school that you have attention deficit disorder? And the answer to that question is, do you need special accommodations? If you feel that you need extra time on standardized exam, or extra time on tests, or maybe even extra time to hand in some of the required work, and you do have attention deficit disorder, this is something that you should definitely address with your college or graduate school. People are entitled to reasonable accommodations, and with an idea that the school should do everything possible that the testing situation to which you're exposed really gives you the best opportunity to show your knowledge and your ability to reason. Of course, this is not an escape for a person who just doesn't want to work as hard in school. This is for people who do have true attention deficit disorder symptoms and find themselves to be disadvantaged in a standard testing situation. So usually the standard exemptions are for extra time on exam, for extra time on standardized tests, and it's also possible to negotiate with the school being able to turn in certain work later than what is normally allowed. At Trifecta, we frequently do write letters requesting accommodation. It is covered by Americans with Disability Act, which is something that protects the rights of any individual with disabilities or different abilities to be able to participate in normal educational process.